everyone, I'm Ellen.
And I'm Maria.
Welcome to our channel.
Today's video is on getting some simple supplies from the Dollar Tree and making really cute Halloween decorations. Our first craft is the crystal ball. So you get the candlestick, the glass plate, and a snow globe, and just go ahead and paint them. And it's amazing how just painting these supplies make them totally look different.
It sure does. And this technique with just dabbing the paint, it applies it just perfectly.
It's cool because then you can still see the glass coming through too.
It's so cool.
So once that's done with the black, just get the gold and just sponge that on also. Gives it a real ancient look. I'm just so thrilled how this came out.
Oh, that's awesome.
So if you guys are looking for more inspirational crafts for Halloween, we're going to link our Halloween home tour down below. Check it out, and then you'll be able to see what a difference these crystal balls look from last year to this year.
And now you'll apply the gold paint to the plate as well.
And then once all those pieces are dry, go ahead and start putting it together. So just put some E6000 down with the hot glue gun, but not in the same places. The hot glue for instant stick and the E6000 to make sure it lasts for a long time. Then you just get some batting and put some lights in there from the Dollar Tree. I had purple in from last year, but this year I switched it up with the fairy lights, and I really love how it came out. In fact, next year I'm thinking of trying to find the green with the purple, so it looks like the Wizard of Oz. Annie M, and the crystal ball.
That's so fun.
So these hands I did get at the 99-cent store like 4 years ago. Kicking myself I didn't get more of them. But it's really cool, and this is how it looks with the white fairy lights in there.
It's so cool. If you can't find the hands, not a problem. We've got another option for you. And you use the same technique.
Yeah, and just put it all together and just drop your ball inside and just make sure you don't glue it so you can turn it on and off.
And if you're enjoying this video, please give us a like and share with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, it does. And all the supporters so far, thank you guys so much.
So our next craft is this really cute buffalo check tray. All these can be found at the Dollar Tree as well, these items, and pretty amazing to be able to put this together in a really quick way.
And the thing that's so cool about it is it doesn't have to be just for Halloween. You can use this all year round. Or if you want to make one for a special occasion, use a gold charger.
And use the same glue technique. Go ahead and glue the candlestick to the bottom, and that's going to make the stand. And then using the lid from a plastic jar, you can go ahead and create your handle for the top of the or the lid for the tray. And then the same glue technique.
Isn't that cute?
It's really awesome.
It made me really happy. It reminded me of like going to the store and getting like samples.
Oh, that's fun.
Or a bakery.
And then using the buffalo check ribbon to finish it off is just such a nice final touch.
Or when Thanksgiving comes around, change out the bow and put a pie inside. How cute would that be?
Oh, that's awesome.
It's very simple, but yet I love it.
Yes, so cute. Oh my gosh.
So now what to put inside?
We should ask our crystal ball.
Go for it, Elle.
What do we put inside? It's green ghoulie time.
Really simple.
You'll start by melting the milk chocolate and the white chocolate in a double boiler. Add some food coloring to the white chocolate, and that's going to help give you the green ghoulie look. Really, really easy. You'll take some toothpicks and put them in marshmallows to use as a handle. And then you'll swirl them around to get all of the green ghoulie look onto the marshmallows.
And my son got in on it too. He was helping me put them together, which was fun.
So cute.
Just melt some milk chocolate and put it on the top.
Nice technique to straighten out the hair. Here you go.
Put some eyes on and just watch those eyes drip to the floor.
And there they are.
They're cute.
They're very cute.
Very ghoulish. And when my grandson came over and opened up the tray and got one, made it worth it. The things are so sad looking, but it made it all worth it.
Yes. Bye, guys.
So we hope you guys liked this video and got some inspirational craft ideas for your house this Halloween.
Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. We really appreciate it.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween. Really happy that you joined us today. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.